Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today is a quick video. It's a special video, and this video is for the people that like to barbecue outside, especially those people that like to use charcoal to barbecue outside. We want to talk about two different products, both of which are not paying us, but both of which we are so excited about that we wanted to make a video just for these two companies because we love them.
That is right.
That is right. So in today's cook, we're going to be outside here on the Weber Kettle, and we're going to be using Jealous Devil charcoal. We love them. The charcoal, so far we found, is far superior than the normal blue bag that we've been using. They're bigger, it burns hotter, it comes in a weatherproof bag.
It lasts longer.
It's a little bit more expensive, but the price is worth it, and it's really, really good. So we're going to be cooking some chicken on the Weber Kettle using Jealous Devil charcoal, using Bald Buck seasoning. Now, we found this seasoning from our friend T-Roy Cooks,
yes,
who we love, baldbuck.com. Let me just see if the camera will even pick it up. Baldbuck.com. We've used this seasoning now a couple times. It is banging on chicken, shrimp, and seafood. This is a chicken, shrimp, seafood seasoning. You can use it on anything, really, but it is freaking fantastic. Even the kid likes it. It's like a salt, pepper, garlic up front, super flavorful, and then all of a sudden at the end, you're like, ooh, that got a little hot at the end, but not too hot. It's really, really good. So chicken, Jealous Devil charcoal, baldbuck.com, and here we go. Okay, I want to show you guys my setup out here. They haven't sent me any of this. I paid for all this. Jealous Devil, the lump charcoal, and then I also have the briquettes, which are substantially bigger. But look, the bag is like a vinyl bag. It is weatherproof. It is awesome. We got some smoking bourbon barrel wood that we're going to use today. But both of these products have really, really been fantastic. And let me take you over to the kettle during the last cook. This is what was left over. If the camera wants to pull itself together, you could see. Look at how big these lumps are. These are the briquettes. Look at how big they are. They're gigantic, and they last forever, and it's just awesome. So I put the Weber little lighter cube right here. I'm gonna light some of this, and then that's how we're gonna go. And then we're gonna go indirect, and we're gonna smoke this chicken off on the kettle with the Jealous Devil, and it's super easy, and it lasts forever, and it's really, really awesome. So all I did was I lit the little lighter cube. I put a little bit of the leftover Jealous Devil on top of it, and it's just like that. Then I can move that charcoal around, and I can get an easy 275 indirect cook with the smoke perfectly. Cook after cook after cook after cook, just using this. So, like I said, I'm really in love with this product right now. Okay, so while the barbecue is heating up, we're gonna do some thighs, because I love chicken thighs. This is literally the world's biggest chicken breast. I don't know, but Babe will only eat chicken breast. I don't know. They must have fed this chicken 9 quadrillion antibiotics. Very not healthy, but chicken thighs, much more better. Like that, much more better. Anyways, we'll season this up with the baldbuck.com, and yeah, we'll just get it going on. The flavor of this rub is just absolutely amazing.
Looks like it's gonna be spicy.
Yeah, it is, and you're gonna eat it all down your gullet.
Why are you putting so much on it?
In your mouth. Because that's what it needs. Why are you the barbecue pitmaster, or am I the barbecue pitmaster? All right, our grill is up to temp. We're gonna be doing some indirect cooking. Woo. All right, we're gonna be putting down Babe's ginormous breasts closer to the fire because they're bigger. And meatier, right, Babe? Yeah, meatier. Then we're gonna be putting our chicken thighs just over here. And then Babe has a special treat that she's adding on this cook that I was not aware of. Some of that bald buck in there. And then Babe's gonna drop in a little special treat. And what is that, Babe?
It's brie and crow. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's basically brie with a crust around it, and I put some Marion berry jelly in it. I've never done it on a smoker, but I had this brie that needed to be cooked, so I thought, why not try it? Let's see what happens.
Okay, the chicken thighs are at 160 internal. I'm just putting a little bit of flame kissing on them. These gigantic breasts are still at 130 internal. They're gonna go a little bit longer. And then Babe's creation right here is still gonna go a little bit longer, but You can kind of see everything's working good. And we barely burned any fuel, if you guys can see in there. We barely burned any fuel at all. That's why that charcoal is so amazing. And this flavor from the rub and the seasoning is just, I love it. All right, let's get those thighs in on the cutting board and have a little taste test. Okay, so like I said at the beginning of the video, short video, I just wanted to show you the seasoning, the rub. I wanted to show you guys this charcoal. We're loving both of them right now. And right now, it's the time in the video that we need to roll our 8 top tier channel members. Let's roll them across the screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have a lot of channel members. We're actually very, very blessed. So thank all of our channel members. Thank you guys so, so much.
And I would like to say that we did do a live the other day, and we go live for our channel members to be the only ones who are allowed to talk in the comments.
Once a month, we do an exclusive channel member live stream for any channel member, no matter what tier you're at.
Right.
And we made bangers and mash.
Yeah, and so you're the only ones that are allowed to say anything.
Yeah, so we appreciate it.
If you do want to comment and talk in our live, in those private lives.
Those private lives.
Yeah.
Private.
Hit that join button.
Okay, so let's have a quick chicken taste test.
Okay.
And we'll let you guys go back to your regularly scheduled program.
Here's
Babe has
one for
never,
you.
I've tried this before. I love it. The little boy has tried it. He loves it. Babe has never tried this. Okay, you gotta get a piece. Are you ready? And this is chicken thigh.
Live with like this.
I know. Your chicken breasts are out there.
I don't like thighs.
Thighs are so much better than chicken breasts. I love you.
Very good.
But wait. Here it comes.
Oh no, I can taste that it's gonna get spicy.
It's so good. It's like salt, pepper, garlic up front, and then gets spicy at the end. But not like crazy. It's kid safe.
It just has a kick.
But with the barrel wood smoke, with the Jealous Devil charcoal, it's so good.
That is very, very good.
Very good. I told you, babe. And wouldn't that be good on shrimp or seafood? Yeah, it'd be killer.
Be really good on veggies.
Or veggies, yeah. So, anyways, guys.
Great job. That is really good.
I told you.
Okay, well.
I told you.
My chicken breast, it'll be great. It was really good.
All right, guys.
Nice job, Bald Buck.
Bald Buck, good job. Jealous Devil, good job. Weber Kettle, good job.
Josh, good job.
Channel members, good job. I'll just sit here and feed my chicken face.
Just chicken for dinner.
That's it.
And
you're breathing out there. All right. We'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, babe, so you just pulled your contraption off of the Weber.
Yeah, are you ready to try it? Yeah. You've never had this?
No.
Oh, this is a delightful, delightful little treat.
Smoked.
It's a smoked brie.
All your jelly's jellying out everywhere.
Mm-hmm. And I put, see the brie?
Oh boy. Oh boy. This looks like Wild Geographic.
And then I put Marionberry jelly inside of it to give it a little sweet. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready, babe.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Deliciousness.
Pretty good.
Oh, that's
It's kind of weird,
really?
but it's pretty good.
Why is it weird?
It's like cheese and jelly and smoky flavor and little crust.
It's yummy.
Pretty good.
So you're supposed to use phyllo dough. They didn't have it at Trader Joe's, so I got
I need that.
the croissant dough,
That's good.
and I just wrapped it in a croissant.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, babe. And we smoked it for about an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.